Is Justin from the Good of the Land a liar? I have a rusty set of Nipex pliers or Nipex, whatever you want to call them, and I have an ultrasonic cleaner. This is an old dental cleaner I got off of a friend in college whose mom was a dentist, or is a dentist still. And I'm going to put these in and see, using the Evapo-Rust, and see if it actually cleans the rust off as quick as Justin's, or if he's doing some sort of trickery with time lapse. So let's turn it on, drop these in, see how they look. No, that's not what I want. There, stopwatch. Of course you can't see it. It looks like it's working pretty well already. Just turn them over and stick them back in. So that's 5 minutes, which is longer than he had, but I think he's got a little more power than I do. And we can see it's actually started on it pretty well. I'm probably going to leave these in a little bit longer. Plus his is heated, which speeds up the reaction. Mine's not. And my shop is pretty cold today. So I think he's probably onto something. So I'm going to go ahead and leave these in there a while and show you what they look like at the very end. So this is the final after leaving it in for about 15 more minutes after the initial 5 minutes in the ultrasonic cleaner. And then I took a wire brush and there was some debris built up on that button where the chrome has come off, and then the spots of this where they're a little bit lighter had a little bit of debris on them, and I just took a wire brush and rubbed a few of those. The dark spots, the dark part of it is where I haven't touched it at all. All the rust is gone. The teeth and the jaws look good. It's fully usable, not rusted, and the handles cleaned up pretty well, but I mostly just rubbed those with, sprayed it with WD-40 and rubbed it with paper towel, and it got most of that caked on grease off. There's still a little bit in there, but these are perfectly good to use now. So Justin is not a liar. He's a good friend of mine. It's just, you know, funny video title, and the ultrasonic with Evapo-Rust seems to work very, very well. I'm going to do another test after this involving heating. I'm going to do a cold test at around 55, 60 degrees on the Evapo-Rust, then I'm going to heat it up to around 120, put something in, see how long it takes, and then I'm going to heat it up and use the ultrasonic like Justin did and see how well that works for me. And if everything goes very well, I may end up building my own ultrasonic tank like he did, because I do a lot of carburetors and small engine repair, and I'd like to have a bigger ultrasonic cleaner. This one's a little bit small. I can't fit a quadrajet in here very well, and I can always dual purpose a ultrasonic, just change the fluid out. Not that big a deal, but it works, and it works a lot faster than just Evapo-Rust on its own, for sure. If you're in a hurry, this is a definite good alternative. Thanks for watching. Bye. Coming up next, I'm going to try and restore these 3 Lodge cast iron griddles. I'm gonna derust them and then treat them with vegetable oil and bake them in the oven, make them non-stick again, get them back into good working order so I can use them. But we're going to look at using Evapo-Rust cold, using it hot, and trying to drop at least one end in the ultrasonic and see how much faster each step of the process makes it.